Welcome to Spoken Cebuano with Eris. For today's video, we will be talking about og and ug. This is a simple guide to Cebuano connectors. So I have a quick tip here on how to pronounce each one. Ug has an o sound, while ug has an u sound. All right, let's start right away. So the first og introduces the object of an action in Cebuano. It functions similarly to the English articles a, and, or some, and it marks an indefinite object in a sentence. Indefinite object, guys, refers to something that is not specific or clearly defined, or something unknown to the person you are speaking to. Let's take a look at some examples. The first one is, Juan is drinking a drink. Translate to Cebuano, that will be si Juan nag-inom og ilimnon. Si Juan nag-inom og ilimnon. So I have a pronunciation guide for you here. Si is a subject marker for a specific name or proper noun. So we have our subject here, the doer of the action, si Juan. Nag-inom shows Juan is drinking. And og ilimnon shows what Juan is drinking. So this is basically like saying to someone, Juan is drinking a drink. Okay? So that drink is unknown to the person that I am speaking to. It is not specific. If you would like more explanation about si and nag, then please check out my video, the previous one that I uploaded. I will link the description below. Now let's continue. Second example is Maria is buying bread. Translate to Cebuano, that will be si Maria nagpalit og pan. Si Maria nagpalit og pan. In this sentence, si marks Maria as the person or proper noun doing the action. Nag shows the action is happening now, which is buying, and og marks the indefinite object and doesn't specify any particular bread. And also, this is unknown to the person that I am speaking to. Og. Og is used to connect two things or even actions, similar to the word and in English. Let's take a look at some examples. The first one is, Maria is eating a banana and pineapple. Translate to Cebuano, si Maria nagkaon og saging ug pinya. Si Maria nagkaon og saging ug pinya. In this example, si marks Maria, the one doing the action and the focus of the sentence. Nagkaon means eating, ug saging ug pinya means a banana and pineapple. So we're connecting banana and pineapple here. Saging ug pinya. Our last example is, Abby is writing and reading. Translate to Cebuano, si Abby nagsulat ug nagbasa. Si Abby nagsulat ug nagbasa. In this example, og connects the two actions, which is writing and reading. This is similar to the word and in English. So that's how easy it is. So to wrap up, we use og to indicate the indefinite object of an action, similar to a, and, or some in English. And we use og to link two actions or ideas. It's like saying and in English. Now, before we end up this video, my books can be found on Amazon. You may check it out. It's titled Spoken Cebuano Series. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And daghan kaayong salamat sa pagtanaw sa akong video. Bisda kaayo kitang tanan. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.